Good afternoon, Con here with Techout. Today we're going to be checking out the Moto G Play. This I guess technically is a Moto G8 Play. They don't really put the number on the model anymore for some reason. I picked this up because I'm thinking about replacing my Note 20 with it. I'm going to see how the performance is. Keep in mind this is about $800 cheaper than the Note 20. So I just want to check it out and see what the quality of a about $200 phone is, depending on where you pick it up and if you pick it up on sale. So peeling the sticker off here, we see we're greeted with the phone right on top. Right away it's packaged a little bit better than the Note 20 was. No flimsy screen protectors or anything to be seen here. So we'll go ahead and put that aside real quick. Pulling off the lid here, there's some paperwork in there. We do have a USB-A to USB-C cable and your power brick here. I didn't see the wattage on this when I was looking at it right off the bat, so I'm not sure if it's fast charging or not. I think it is in a way, but we'll test that out later. Like I said, USB-A to C cable, to be expected in a sub $200 phone. And then right here in the paperwork, we do have the instruction manual and everything like that. And hiding away in there was also the SIM tool to eject the SIM tray. This is the unlocked model. Some other carrier models may not have this, not too sure on that. And then here is the phone itself, and one thing that stands out right away compared to the Note 20 is the fact that it has a glass back and has a little bit more weight to it. It feels a little bit more premium in the hand, even though, like I said, it is about $800 cheaper. Fingerprint sensor right here on the back. Very nice edges, very clicky buttons, very well built, and it feels very nice in the hand. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.